Here we are at the Hoi An Hotel in Hoi An, and one of the things I just wanted to kind of alert you to the fact is that we've actually realised that we're actually in the middle of the August almost full moon festival, which they celebrate very particular here in Hoi An. So you can see that the street's busily preparing itself for such celebrations. Here it is early in the morning, and everyone's now putting in their offerings. I have to go across the road here safely, so just bear with me. But there we are, we're doing the burning the celebrations, and typically there's going to be offerings placed in here, so there'll be, you know, money and gold bars and richness here going in and burning off, and that's all part of the celebrations, to be able to include the spirits, etc., to be able to make sure that they're being looked after. So some good help here going on. It's also not unique to our property. A lot of the properties, we noticed this last night going on. So this is our hotel, one of the other entrances. So a lot of paper money, gifts, etc. have been presented there. And this is still part of our hotel. And you can see an abundance of goods, lots of fresh food that's being created, pork and chicken, and lots of rice and beautiful sweet stuff, and wonderful celebrations, lots of lovely lollies and plenty of money. And the great belief here is that, you know, those that have passed still need to receive the goodness of an abundance that we actually enjoy here. It's, you know, it's always quite cute that you've got the wonderful drinks here, money and sweets, lots of rice bowls, fish in the buckets here, and this would be the offering created by the people for here, and it goes on pretty much, and will be going on for a few days. I'll just take you back into our hotel, and which is a wonderful hotel. I'm just going to come into the main altar, which is they celebrate, but it's been beautifully presented here today with the drums going off every so different hours. Once again, you can see the offerings being created here. This is a beautiful presentation by the kitchen here today. Lovely pork knuckles there, beautiful salads and sticky rice, and plenty of chicken. And there is our beautiful altar that we have for our particular hotel. And it's a wonderful hotel. There's our beautiful staff. Good, Sing Chow. And this is our wonderful pool area that we've got here. So it's a gorgeous nestled area, little oasis here in Hoi An, which is what you kind of need when it's pretty hot. So lots of celebrations going on today. So as we go out towards the main entrance and exit out here onto the main road, the staff busily continuing to do the celebration, burning off the offerings. It's a lot of the money, lots of the gold bar, lots of good celebrations here, lots of tidying up going on as well. And we've got a lovely little altar here on the ground. Case of beer, fantastic. Lots of beautiful tea there being poured out by the wonderful. Wearing red is obviously, not obviously, but a show of celebrations. And we've got wonderful drinks here. We've got beer, we've got fish, we've got birds, and to place the offerings. This is our gorgeous hotel. There's a little oasis here in Hoi An, and I'll just take you to the other altar. So it's all about setting up abundance and being able to flow that abundance on into those that have passed. Look at this, fantastic. Candles have been burning for most of the morning. Once again, a wonderful display of foods. That's the background back to our wonderful oasis. It's a French Vietnamese colonial architect building. We're going to our wonderful reception area. There's our beautiful staff. Sing Chow. See, there's our beautiful staff there. Sing Chow. Wonderful celebrations. And as you can see, it's a gorgeous location. Taking you back out now through to the garden area. She's just released, by the way, the birds, which we didn't see. So she's praying to them and allowing them to fly. So they were captured, but they're now free. Wonderful flowing. And this is our beautiful garden area. There's plenty to do. Lots of shade and hammocks. Wonderful staff. There we are. There's Janie. That's it, everyone. That's a celebration for what you can expect in Hoi An, and just celebrating our last few days. So we're just sharing that video with you of where to stay and how to enjoy Hoi An.